right, so we're heading out of Seaside finally. We're going to hit Los Tacos Locos one more time. So I was going to mention this again. I mentioned the other day, we've literally had so much rain. Our trailer was coated in bugs. And then after driving out of the forest the other day, the bugs were less. Now, we still had bugs on our trailer. And when I say bugs, I mean like you could barely see the trailer for the bugs. Now, you can see today, it's even much cleaner. That's how much rain we have here at Seaside. I don't think I could live here. I don't think I could live here. I actually, the temperature is fine, but this would depress me after a while. I don't think I could live here like full time. So, but Oregon, Seattle, I can definitely see the pill. It's very, very beautiful, but this is just a lot of water. So that's the bridge that we crossed when we came over. It's basically 200 feet in the air. It looks a lot smaller from the ground, but it's huge. At the highest point, it's 195 feet. Not sure exactly. I guess it said something about needing to be that high to clear the bay. Well, whatever the case may be, that is
because it goes right there onto the to clear all that. Huh? It had to gain altitude to do that, I think.
Clear that.
Yeah. Because it. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, there you go.
What?
Right there. Looking at the screen or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, there it is. 195 feet. Now it's not to the top of the bridge, that's just to the road on the bridge. That's how high that thing gets. We're in Astoria right now. This is where a lot of Hollywood movies have been filmed, including the Goonies. And
apparently Free Willy too.
And Free Willy. And
Kindergarten Cop.
Astoria has really promoted the fact that they are a town where the Goonies has been filmed. So anyway, we're heading to a Boondocker's Welcome in Battleground, just above Portland. So we're ending up back in Washington, but we're going to stay there tonight and tomorrow night. Tomorrow during the day, we're going to go into Portland. And so hopefully we won't get completely rained out, but that's the plan. Right now, we're in Astoria, as I mentioned, and we are going to go to the Sunday market. Check that out real quick before we get back on the road. Well, the market was closed. We read the calendar wrong, but here's the Rusty Cup.
Congratulations.
This is a turkey panini. That was the grilled cheese with avocado. Really good. Coffee was really good at the Rusty Cup in Astoria. Check it out. I didn't really like Beecher's sandwiches. They didn't do anything for me. These sandwiches at the Rusty Cup in Astoria, however, hit the spot. Very simple, but good. And there is our poor camper that has not broken anything in the last several days, which let's see if we can keep that on a roll.
I'm really happy that we chose that. I was a little bit like, maybe we should just go to a fast food place because it's in the middle of town and I haven't read any reviews and we're just walking by it, but it was actually really, really good.
Yep.
Called the Rusty Cup.
I would recommend it.
It made my heart happy.
Okay, so now we're heading to Battleground, Washington, and we'll be passing the Goonie house. Not deliberately, it just is in our path. It's in our way. It's in our way. But seriously, guys, don't harass the poor lady that owns this place. Just leave her be. We'll get a shot of it as we drive by it, but again, it's because our path goes on the corner, but we're not actually stopping. Right, Robin? We're not stopping. We just drive by because we're going that way. No stopping. No.
These are all the Goonies houses. Right up there is where they are. It's right up there, actually. I think I saw the corner of it. The corner of a white house. I'm sad. I'm very saddened. It's right up there in those trees. Right up there.
So just arriving at our Boondockers welcome location. It's really nice. I got some organizing stuff for the camper. Robin hates it, but it can be taken down anytime because it just hangs. It's a net to add to the other net. But anyway, it hangs right here, and that goes right into solid wood. It's a net. See, it's a net. So that works really well. Another thing I did is I bought some different hangers. So these hangers here will do a little better for the closet. The reason being is some of the hangers we have really thick hooks. These have metal hooks, but also have clips to hold things on a little better. So I think that'll help. Organize our closet a little better. We got the command strips that we can hang stuff from, and so we have a command strip hook right here, so that we can hang our sweatshirts and stuff out of the way. That particular hook holds 7 pounds, so we can do that and get sweatshirts out of the way. So that gives us a little bit more organization space. We bought some buckets. So when we're moving, when we're in transportation mode, we would put stuff in the sink. But then when we stopped, even if we stopped shortly, we'd have to take everything out of the sink. Now, we just take the bucket out. So that makes that a little easier. Same idea. We got a little bucket. It's not quite as, it doesn't fit quite as nicely, but it does fit. And we can just take the bucket out of the sink when we finally get to our destination. So that was another thing we did to organize things. And this, of course, has always been our laundry bag, but when it gets this heavy, you have to take it down. And the heater works great as long as you run it in low mode. It seems to do a pretty decent job and does not kick the breaker off on the inverter, which, as I pointed out before, is behind a wall that you cannot get to. So if you throw the breaker on the inverter, you're ripping that whole wall out, and it's not meant to come out. So when I get home, I'm going to change how that wall is done so it is exposed. It'll actually make the closet deeper. It'll make the inverter accessible so that I can trip the breaker back on again if it ever gets thrown. And again, it will make the closet easily 4 inches deeper, which gives you more space. So that'll be nice. Couple more things we just added. We just put 2 of these command strips so we can always take them off if we want to. Robin can hang her purse up there, or I can also hang my camera up here, and so it just works a little better than hanging it up over here, which we can hang stuff there too, but then it's always blocking the cup holder. So this is just a nice other place to hang things, which is good. We seem to have internet here, so that's good. I'm gonna get some work done. Tomorrow we're gonna head into Portland. All right, see you guys tomorrow as we head to Portland. Why won't we?
You will not see them tomorrow.
I will not see you tomorrow, as my wife has pointed out many times. You may be watching this. Well, of course they won't be seeing. I won't be seeing them tomorrow.
Then stop saying it.
It's just a phrase, Robin. It's just an expression.
Dumb.
It's just.
How about I'll be back tomorrow?
But it won't be there tomorrow, so does it matter? Okay, I'll say that. I'll be back tomorrow. I'll change it to that. Are you happy?
You will be. They might not.
Okay. Are you good with that? If I change it to that, or is that a good compliment? Okay, I will be back tomorrow. You guys have a great evening, whatever evening it is. There you go. I can still say that.
What if it's morning for them?
If it's morning for them right now, that's okay. They can still have a great evening.
You're dumb.
They have an evening at least once a day.
You're
so,
dumb.
you know,
You're
they can
dumb.
use it. All right. You guys have a great day. There we go. I will see you tomorrow, and you guys have a great day.
You're going to see them tomorrow?
Oh, no. I'll be back tomorrow, and you guys have a great day. There. How's that, Robin?
Which day?
Any day.
Oh, okay.
Okay. I'll be back tomorrow, and you guys have a wonderful life.
That's dumb.
There's no date on that. I just said their whole life could be wonderful.
Dumb.
So I didn't say have a good day.
That's dumb.
Why? Why is that dumb?
Because.
Okay.
Just go back to see it tomorrow.
I'll have more videos for you coming up. And and you have a wonderful future.
Okay, you're dumb.
Good night.